Umengameli Ramaphosa uthi labaholi benza umsebenzi omkhulu wokuqeda uqhekeko olwalukhona phambilini kulesikhungo esiqoqa intela.
You were essentially building a SARS from the ashes of apartheid, if that meaning, that statement can get meaning, and that is the meaning that it has, because apartheid was ashes, as it were, and bringing together the so-called homeland internal revenue services was bringing together ashes again, and out of these ashes of our past you were able to put together an organization like this.
Uthi iSARS yabamba iqhaza elikhulu ngesikhathi kuhlasele iCovid-19 yalekelela uhulumeni nosomabhizinisi abakhokha intela ukwehlisa ingcindezi ngemali ebalela ku-70 billion.
Government supported businesses in distress with tax relief measures, and we all know how that was administered by SARS. SARS played a critical and central role with that.
Umengameli uthi kusukela yasungulwa ngo-1997 lesikhungo sesiqoqa imali engaphezulu kuka-18 trillion.
SARS has been able to collect over 18 trillion rand for government to provide, to fund various programs that have supported the lives of many South Africans.
Uphinde wabonga izisebenza kwa-SARS ngomsebenzi wazo oncubekayo.
The employees of SARS are truly nation builders, and I'd like you to see yourself as that you are nation builders. If there ever is a nation builder, that's what you are, because with the rands and the cents that you collect and you encourage people to bring in, you are actually building South Africa.
Umengameli Ramaphosa uthi elakuleli kufanele libonge njengoba liziqhenya kakhulu ngalesikhungo esibamba iqhaza elikhulu empilweni yabantu bakuleli.